Yeah, hi, I'm going to show you how to play the B major scale on your piano or keyboard. I'm going to show you the correct fingering for your right hand and for your left hand. And at the end of the video, I'm also going to show you what chords, what triads you can derive from this scale. So let's get started. The B major scale. The B major scale has 5 sharp notes. Okay? So, C sharp, D sharp, F sharp, G sharp, and A sharp. This means that you have to remember to play these notes instead of these white notes. Okay, let's get started. To play this scale, you start with your right hand, first finger on the note B, and you go all the way to your third finger, B, C sharp, D sharp. Now put your thumb underneath and play E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, and back to B. Going downwards the other way on the piano, we go all the way to our thumb, A sharp, G sharp, F sharp, E, and now fly your third finger over to the note D sharp, C sharp, and B. Okay, let's do it again a bit faster. Okay, let's have a look at the left hand. To play this scale, you have to start with your fourth finger, because you have to have your thumb land on a white note, preferably, before we move on to a black note. Okay, so fourth finger on the B, like this, B, C sharp, D sharp, E, and now fly your fourth finger over to the F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, and back to B. Going downwards, we're going all the way down to the fourth finger, B, A sharp, G sharp, F sharp, and now your thumb underneath to play the note E, D sharp, C sharp, and you're back at the B with your fourth finger. Okay, let's do it again a bit faster. Alrighty, now let's have a quick look at what chords, what triads you can derive from this scale. On the first step, step 1, you have the B major chord. Step 2, the C sharp minor chord. Step 3, the D sharp minor chord. Step 4, the E major chord. Step 5, the F sharp major chord. Step 6, G sharp minor. Step 7, A sharp minor flat 5. A sharp minor flat 5. And finally, you'll be back at your root chord, the B major chord. So there you have it, the B major scale. So, I hope you enjoyed this free piano lesson. If you want more free piano chord stuff, how about a free piano chord chart? Or a free chord inversion crash course? Or a free chord symbols chart? Simply go to pianochordscharts.net and download your free stuff. Click the link below and I'll see you over there. Please like this video to keep our videos free for future visitors. Thank you.